Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So apparently I didn't film the first part of the video where I cut off about 4 inches off the bottom. I wanted it more crop and baggy than long and baggy. The inseam needs to be taken in here, but because these jeans are so thick and it has the double stitching on the inseam, I didn't want to break my sewing machine needle, so I decided to just do tucks. So I did 2 in the front and 1 in the back. So following this straight grain, we're going to just fold as shown. So it's like an inch and an inch fold, so it's like overall a 2-inch fold. I didn't film me doing the fold at the back because it was a last minute decision, but it all boils down to how small you want the bottom to be. It was still too big for me after I did the 2 front ones, so I tried it on and I just decided to do the 1 in the back. So the cuff at the bottom is going to be the height of the elastic times 2. So then we measure the height of the tuck after that. I did mine just about the length of my hand. With the tuck, we're pretty much just top stitching the edge of the fold. Only on the front, so just get as high as your sewing machine allows. And you're doing it to the back too, but you're not like sewing through to the back, you get me? Distress time! Okay, so I'm doing the distressing before I sew the bottom in case I need to stick my hand up through the bottom or anything. There's so many YouTube videos on how to distress jeans, so I won't bore you with it. So you're just gonna get like a quick little speed through, run through of what I'm doing. I had no idea what I was doing, so I may look a bit crazy for part of it. So here are the tucks done. I couldn't get the tuck stitching as high as I wanted though, because the sewing machine wouldn't get up to like that far, but it still worked out in the end. So now we're going to measure the elastic around the part of the foot where we want the pants to end. And then we're going to cut 2 pieces of that length on the elastic. Sew the ends of both pieces shut, and then we're going to insert the elastic on the bottom of the pants. So right here, I'm showing you how you insert it, and then we're going to fold the pants under over the elastic and we're going to pin in place. So we're going to stitch all around like that, and here it is sewn. I'm just doing some extra distressing around. You can do whatever you want to do basically. I just did some random pieces all over, front, back, the back pockets, down by the cuff, the front pockets, bits of the belt tabs. I just did whatever I felt like I needed to do. I like those pants so much that I did another pair. I didn't do the tucks going up. I just like left it as pleats at the bottom. And we're gonna add some chains. You can add whatever you want to the pants. I'm just placing them out where I want them to be. They're about like a couple more millimeters than the actual slit. And then we're going to be sewing the chain on both ends with a nylon thread. So one end, and just make sure it's straight and not twisted, unless you want it twisted. And you're just going to be stitching it on like that, and ending the knot with like a double knot. Now I'm just adding some splotches of gold acrylic paint, which is really not necessary, you know, but I'm just extra, but it really was not necessary. You don't need to do this at all. And we is done!
I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me.